Software developers are advised to double check the packages they use for their projects and constantly scrutinize code in open source software to find suspicious signs like obfuscated code and calls to external servers. And what you have to imagine is these these things are such simple hacks, right? They're just publish an npm package and trust that few people are actually going to check it at the level that they should be. Most people will do most people will essentially do npm install whatever the parent package is that they need. Then they might go through package.json, read a few of the names, and these all seem quite fine and even real. Like React event dependency, I would never imagine. I wouldn't even bother to check it. Why would I? Right? So you have to be, at the very least, we have to be far more careful about what we're doing with packages and what things we're gluing together. But ideally, we need to stop gluing things together so simply, so easily. We have to update our standards, essentially, and have more people who are capable of judging the worthiness of these packages. And that requires that more programmers need to roll up their sleeves and reinvent a few wheels so that they can understand the difference between a potentially dangerous wheel like the 6 here, if you can even call them that, versus wheels that they could create themselves or that other people have created that are good wheels. You won't know that difference. Instead, what we're doing today is we're telling programmers, especially juniors who are coming out of boot camps and computer science degrees, that they are absolutely insane if they think that they can look at something like React, for example, which is basically just a whole bunch of libraries put together, and do it themselves. And as we can see, this is the consequence of that. We need these junior developers to have the sensibility and the judgment capability